Good morning, Dashers and TSC. Today in homeroom, we are going to engage in an activity around microaggressions. Last week, the strength of the DSHA community was tested. Our community, particularly Black students, were deeply hurt and disrespected by the power of the N-word and the impact of the circulation of the video through social media. But with this test came an astounding testament of the force of love and unity. This was displayed by the countless emails and conversations that administration received by current Dashers denouncing racist words and actions and calling for some sort of call to action. The power of the spoken word is boundless. As was quoted before, words are singularly the most powerful force available to humanity. We can choose to use this force constructively with words of encouragement or destructively using words of despair. Words have energy and power with the ability to help, to heal, to hinder, to hurt, to harm, to humiliate, and to humble. At DSHA, we want to ensure that our words and actions demonstrate and are reflective of respect, truth, faith, and love. In a moment, you will view a video created by former DSHA students during their sophomore year and their experiences with microaggressions. Microaggressions are defined as a statement, action, or incident regarded as an instance of indirect, subtle, or unintentional discrimination against members of a marginalized group, such as a racial or ethnic minority. A verbal microaggression is a comment or question that is hurtful or stigmatizing to a certain marginalized group of people. For example, saying, "You're so smart for a woman," would be a verbal microaggression. A behavioral microaggression occurs when someone behaves in a way that is hurtful or discriminatory to a certain group of people. An example of a behavioral microaggression would be when a waitress chooses to serve a group of white people before serving the group of Black people who were there before them. Environmental microaggression is when a subtle discrimination occurs within society. One example of an environmental microaggression would be a college campus that only has buildings named after white people. And so in a moment, you're going to be viewing this video of our former Dashers, and we're going to ask you to then reflect on 4 questions related to the video. The first question is, what are your initial thoughts about this video, and was there anything that surprised you? Second, do you have a clear understanding of what a microaggression is? Third, have you ever witnessed or been a victim of a microaggression? And fourth, if you were to witness a microaggression or any other unfair act against another individual, how would you respond? So we ask that you take about 5 minutes to jot down your initial ideas related to these 4 questions and then engage in a class discussion about these 4 questions. So now I will stop talking and allow you to view the video and start engaging in this activity. And I hope that you will take it upon yourself to learn a little bit more about microaggressions and how we can ensure that the words of power that we use at DSHA are always positive words. Thank you and have a great day.